Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to work on HubSpot. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any preferred browser. Next, search for HubSpot and open the official website. Once there, click on the Get Started button and you will be asked to sign into your account. After signing in, you will be asked a bunch of questions. Simply answer them carefully, one by one. Then, you will need to enter your website name, type it in carefully. After that, enter the website URL and select the host region of your business. At the end, click on the Create Account button and you're halfway there. Now, you will be prompted to either create a template or enter your details manually. Choose whichever one you prefer and then enter the contacts. In the next step, you will be asked to invite team members. I will skip it for now and that's it. You will then be redirected to the home page. Here you can see that all of your contacts are being displayed and there is also a side menu at the left of your screen. To start creating new contacts, click on the Create button at top right corner and then start entering the required details. To start sending emails, get to the left side menu, Access Marketing, and then click on the Emails feature. Now select the I'm new to email option and skip the next step. After that, you will be able to start creating your own email template if you want. For that, click on the Create Email button and a bunch of options will be displayed. Simply click on the first option and then choose the template of your choice. I will select the basic one, and this editing page will open up. Inside it, you will be able to edit the whole template text and also add a company logo. Once done, get to the Settings tab and change it to your preference. After that, get to the Send tab and select the contact we added while creating our account. Now, click on the Review button. And you can see that there is an error. Simply click on it and then enter the required details. Once you are done with it, close the menu and then click on the Send button again. This time, click on Send at the bottom and you'll be good to go. So that's basically how you can work on HubSpot. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.